Hello everyone, my name is Wira from class SE3A Civil Engineering Study Program at Medan State Polytechnic. Here, I will explain about the installation of scaffolding and its function when used. Scaffolding is a very important component or construction tool and is needed from small projects such as simple residential buildings to large projects such as high-rise buildings. Scaffolding is a supporting construction made of bamboo sticks, wood, or steel pipes that is erected and used when a building is being constructed to ensure a safe workplace for workers, to install something, or to support from work in concrete work. The following are general requirements that must be addressed when planning and installing scaffolding for use by workers. 1. The height of the scaffolding system must be no more than 3 lifts above the ship deck when erecting scaffolding on the client ship. 2. Scaffolding is required whenever working on tops, whenever it cannot be done safely using ladders. 3. The scaffold and its component will, without collapsing, be able to carry at least 4 times the maximum permissible workload. Don't overload. 4. Use of non-vertical scaffolding is prohibited. 5. The material of the scaffold used must be in good condition and checked regularly. 6. It's not permitted to remove part of the scaffold without prior approval. 7. The scaffold platform will be not leaned or hang on the railing which can be easily moved. 8. Ladders and other devices for gaining height must not be used in the platform scaffold. 9. Scaffolds must be built of the flat surface capable of supporting the maximum intent weight. 10. The scaffolds to be erected on latticed standard must be layered to distribute weight. 11. Weather protection, such as sheet netting, will not be attacked on the height of scaffold unless secured by an independent structure capable in restraining works by the wind. How to connect or adjust scaffolding. Here's how to adjust the scaffolding components so that they can be used by workers safely. 1. Determine the location of the scaffolding or set the distance for the main frame scaffolding. 2. Install the base plate or jack based on stable foundation. 3. Set the frame of the main frame. 4. Installing the cross braces on 2 sides so that the scaffolding element can stand upright and not shake. 5. Arrange the next vertical frame until the height of the scaffold is concrete sufficient. Use jack and U-head to adjust the height. 6. The height of the scaffolding is adjusted according to the height of the homework or adjust to the design and condition that have been planned. How to dismantle scaffolding. The method of dismantling scaffolding must take into account the strength or age of the construct, usually after the construct is 14 to 28 days old. The dismantling of scaffolding must also pay attention to needs of the next work, whether it is still needed for the next stage of the construction work item or has it been completed. Therefore, it is necessary to carry out periodic maintenance of the scaffolding so that during the demolition of the problems. The following are the steps for dismantling the scaffolding. 1. The first step that needs to be dismantle the scaffolding. It is lower the U-head or catwalk scaffolding. 2. Followed by dismantling the scaffolding frame. 3. When assembling the mold formwork, the face frame arrangement does not need to be dismantled. 4. Next, remove the joint pin and cross brace. Sign and signs. The following signs and notice are used for scaffolding. Warning signs. When scaffolding in use, warning sign with the text "Caution, work overhead" and "Scaffolding is safe to use" should be posted where work is being carried out and or people passing under the scaffold. The red and white barricade can also be used to close access for unauthorized person. That's the review of the scaffolding and its function, as well as the steps of installing and disassembling it. If there is a mistake in conveying my words, I apologize and I hope you understand. Hopefully, it will be useful. Thank you.